today. I literally walked up to one of the clients and we made a little promise that we were going to twin today. So it's all about having those meaningful connections and interacting with them, getting to know their story and how you can best work with them to suit their needs.
So adapted fitness is a safe place for anyone with any ability to work out with a bunch of different people. Basically, the students create exercise programs for the clients, and then we work out with them and help them out with various exercises throughout the semester.
I think just seeing the resilience of these clients, they inspire me, I inspire them, and just that relationship has helped me in my life for sure.
So the way that the students typically get involved with the program is through a course called Kinesiology 225, which is designed to provide exercise programming for individuals with disabilities. Once they are involved in 225 and have taken that class, many of them come back to volunteer for the pure joy of volunteering.
So I'm a personal trainer outside of the program, and I think I came in thinking that I was going to be maybe less hard on my adaptive fitness clients, but they've showed me that they want it just as bad as anyone else. They should be treated exactly the same.
The entire program honestly made an impact on me. I didn't even realize how much going into it, how much it would have impacted me, but I have made such an amazing friends that I really can say that have changed my life. Honestly, the other day I ran a 3K while I was pushing someone in a wheelchair, something that I never expected that I would do. I am not a runner myself, so it was honestly crazy for me to do something like that. But when my client in adaptive fitness asked me if I would help them out, I said immediately yes, and we ended up getting 3rd place in it, so it was awesome.
So my freshman year, I was just looking for ways to get involved. I had a friend who told me about the adapted fitness program. I wanted to give it a shot, see what it was all about, and really that community of people, that opportunity to just be engaged. And I think it's really a reciprocal relationship where I'm learning a lot from the clients. I'm obviously helping them with whatever they might need. That reciprocal relationship and that community has really just drawn me back semester after semester.
Get the camera on you. You gotta show out.